Okay, we're going to be doing the cabin air today, also installing the new Attack Blue air filter. It comes with instructions right here. Basically tells you how to do everything. Okay, so what it tells you is you have 4 7mm bolts here, 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 and on the opposite side. Once you take them out, just lift it off. Right here on the actual air filter housing, 2 T25s. I already took them off as well. And you have your sensor here, your plug for your sensor. You're just gonna pull the red tab back, push down, pull out. And I loosened up the throttle body piece right here, the throttle body connector, and also loosen it up right here. You took it loose already. You pull up on it and it comes right out, basically. Bang. Okay, so go around the other side real quick. And as you can see, there is my old air filter right there. We're going to be replacing it with the Attack Blue for better breathing. They say you get a couple extra horses, but it's whatever. I normally use K&N, but you know, K&N, you have to oil it and everything, and I didn't want to go through all that. The Attack Blue, it is it's dry, so you know, a little bit better airflow and less maintenance. So let me go ahead and install it, and I'll be right back. And that's what the Attack Blue look like installed, direct fit, edge to edge, all the way around, filled in pretty good. The old air filters, ooh, old air filters, man, these paper air filters are really garbage. Pretty restrictive. Man, when you're working by yourself. Okay, here we go. But yeah, it's like, I mean, it get air through there, but it's paper, and you know, it's not really good when it comes to getting a good amount of air coming through. The Attack Blue, you know, it's filters better, and you get a little bit more airflow. Okay, I've put everything back on in reverse order. When you're putting the housing and everything back on, right, there's a groove inside of the housing piece. So when you put it back in, there's 2 little indents on the bottom of the housing. It's going to slip into the 2 holes. Then you're going to pull it up to the actual housing. You're going to screw them back in, and everything should fit right in, pretty much airtight. You're going to put your clamps back on, tighten them back up. You're going to put your sensor plug back in, push it down to lock it. All that's left to do now is the rain housing, rain guard housing, or whatever you call it. All I have to do now is screw the 7mm bolts back in, and we will be done with the Attack Blue install. Okay, everything is installed now. We're gonna go ahead and do this cabin air filter. If you look up on the bottom, there are some clamps. Probably can't see them, but you're just gonna lift up on these clamps and pull out on the little door. Okay, and you see the cabin air filter right there, right? We're just gonna reach in, pull up, and bring it out. And we're gonna just go in the reverse order for the new filter. The new filter is by Fram, active carbon, so it's gonna be a lot better. We're gonna see. All right. As you can see, that filter is pretty filthy. I didn't show it, but I took the time and I went ahead and I cleaned that out inside of there so it can be nice and clean for the new one. I'm gonna need both hands for this. Yes, I'm definitely gonna need both hands. I will be right here. I was able to get it in, and look how dirty this is, y'all. It's crazy. That is pretty disgusting. So what I did was, before I put that one in, I went ahead and I cleaned it out some, and should be good to go now. So we're gonna just do everything in reverse order. I'm not gonna show it. Basically, I'm just gonna put this back on and clamp it, and that's it. Till next time.